Discover how to get your ideas into the universe. With Gamma, you can transform your presentations, documents, websites, and social media content with powerful but easy-to-use AI editing tools. Whether you want to update an entire project or tweak a single detail, Gamma makes it fast and effortless. Let's learn how you can make changes almost as fast as you think. Edit an entire document. With Gamma, you can instantly enhance your whole document using AI. To start, click Edit with AI at the top right of your project. Here, you can find a variety of AI-powered writing presets to refine your content, including improve writing to enhance clarity, style, and overall quality. Fix spelling and grammar to correct spelling mistakes and grammatical errors. Translate for converting your content into another language. Make text longer or shorter. Simplify language or be more specific to clarify vague statements. Break into bullet points or sections. Add a smart summary to generate a concise summary of the content. You can also open the AI chat to request any custom changes you need. Stay tuned to learn more about this later in the video. Edit a specific card. Need to update just one section? Select the card you want to edit, then click the Edit with AI button at the top left corner. Here, you'll find the same writing presets you can use to edit the entire document. Additionally, there are layout and visual options that allow AI to suggest new layouts or add interactive elements, making each card stand out. Text editing. Highlight any text and click on the Edit with AI button to apply intelligent editing options to the selected text. Instantly rewrite, summarize, or translate content with a click. Gamma's AI can adjust the tone, correct grammar, or generate new copy, ensuring your message is always clear and on brand. The AI can also help you visualize your content or change the format to better display long text sections. AI image editing. The AI also allows you to generate or edit images, add illustrations, swap backgrounds, or enhance photos directly within your document. You can even bring visuals to life with the animate feature, which is just one click away. No complex prompts needed. Break out of the ordinary and create stellar content in a flash. Just describe what you want, and Gamma's AI will create it for you. AI Chat. Gamma also provides access to a comprehensive editing assistant. In addition to the AI presets, you can use the built-in AI chat to brainstorm ideas, get suggestions, or request specific edits. Simply click on Chat with AI and type your request. Gamma's AI will help you refine your project in real time. You can use this chat to make changes to the entire document. Specific cards, text sections, and even images. With Gamma's AI editing tools, you can transform any project in seconds. No design or writing experience needed. Start for free at gamma.app and bring your ideas out there. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gamma tips and tutorials.